Hey guys, Jason for TheChartGuys taking a look at gold. What a nothing day pretty much everywhere. Incredibly low volume market day for the S&P. Gold really did nothing, and we're just started dawdling around and getting close to closing out today's candlestick in this nice tight doji. So one thing we have going for us is we are looking at an inside bar setup, and an inside bar setup, of course, is, if you don't know, they are nice range bound lines. So we have our mother bar here, and then the range of our next bar sits entirely inside that previous range. So what that does is it tells us there's some sort of tightening range or tightening pattern here that we need to pay attention to, because if it breaks, it will often show you direction of what the market is going to do. So indecision candlestick, if we were to close right here right now, and let's take a look at some key levels for this inside bar, assuming this does close. 14.22.13 is our support, and 14.20.04 for the support on that mother bar, and then resistance on today's candlestick high 14.29.92. Those are going to be some key levels for us as we move forward. Let's go check out the hourly candlesticks, see what that looks like. And you know what? Not a lot to say about this. We're just trading straight chop, straight sideways. We've got our two key resistances, and there's not a lot to be said for what's happening in here. You could try to look for some sort of trends. Maybe there's something better on the 5-minute time frame, but all we're seeing is consistent sideways action. And you should know that moving averages just don't work when you're trading sideways. So what are we going to look for? Well, we got a couple things I guess we could pay attention to. Let's see if we get a new low underneath our last hour's candlestick, 14.23, and then a little bit of resistance here at 14.28.98. If you wanted to just try and find some details, those are a couple levels that you could look at. But ultimately, we need to close inside this range and take a look at this inside bar break as we head into tomorrow. Daily RSI levels still happy around 59. 4-hour is right at 50, and the hourly time frame cooled off nicely now, 43. Not a lot of information here for us. Watch those key levels on the daily inside bar. Should it close in this current formation?